everyone, this is Namita here. I'm back again today with a new topic, how to make an impact on my significant other, or when I'm going on a date or meeting someone for the first time. What should I do that he or she kind of remembers me? So the rule number one is that you have to compliment him or her. Now, compliment doesn't mean that you have to say something which is not there in him. You have to say something which actually you're liking. Maybe the first time when you saw his DP, or maybe when you met him for the first time, the way he was talking, or anything which in your interaction you've liked about him. Maybe you like his style. You can say, I like your jacket, or I like the way you carry yourself. This kind of opens up that window. It works like an icebreaker, and the other person, we all work on reflection. Whatever we receive, we try giving it back to the other person. So if you are going to give a compliment to him, what it's going to happen is he's also going to think something positive about you. So this is going to leave that impact. Rule number two is, give him time to observe you. Let him know that how kind you are. Maybe the way you're talking to a guy who's serving you food, or if you've gone to play football or to play a game, the way you're talking to your peers. So when someone is observing us, he or she is not under the pressure of coming to you or judging you. It is like he's enjoying it. He's free of his mind, and he can look at real you. It just creates an impact which you cannot imagine when he observes you without you knowing that he is observing you. And this gives that feeling to him that how beautiful she is, or how kind she is, or how good she is when she's talking to other people, and it certainly leaves an impact. Rule number three. When you've gone on a date, you are having a coffee or you're having something, it is not a bad idea if you say that maybe let's order a dessert and share it between us. Because this, you being genuine, you're not trying to create. No one wants to have like a loads of dessert or a cake. And there is fun when you are sharing with the other person the same plate. Even if two people are eating but they're sharing the plate, there is some chemistry which comes between both of you. So this is something which these three rules are going to help you in creating that impact on the other person. Rule number 4 here is, when the other person, when you're meeting this person and you are not trying to act someone who you are not, you have to be genuinely yourself. You're not in the rush of changing yourself for him. Suppose if he's asking you that let's go on a date or let's meet somewhere outside, and you genuinely have some plan. So what you're going to say is, you're going to be honest about it. You're going to say you already have a certain plan here, but maybe we can, you can fix in, or you can sneak out for a bit, or if he could come out in the middle somewhere and you guys can meet somewhere. So this shows that you're a high value woman who has got other beautiful things and interesting things to do. And in this beautiful world of yours, or in this castle of yours, he's most welcome. He's also going to make that castle for you. Thank you so much. I hope these tips are of some help to you. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.